Hey everyone, welcome to Language Igniter. In this video, you will learn the sounds of letter G in Spanish. When G comes with vowels I and E, it sounds as K, that is similar to the sound of letter J in Spanish. Por ejemplo, gimnasio, generar, geográfico, giratorio, gerundio. When G comes with A, O and U, it sounds as G. Por ejemplo, gustar, gato, gafas, golpear, guardar. When U comes between G and a vowel, it becomes silent. Por ejemplo, guerra, guitarra. But remember, if U with two dots, which is called diaeresis, comes after G, it sounds as U. Por ejemplo, vergüenza, pingüino, lingüístico. So friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.